Yay! I want to say a big shout out to my fans. How are you people doing? And those passing by watching my video, how are you guys doing? I love you all. Hope all is well. The biggest, I say biggest shout out to you people. Thank you all for always stopping by, watching my videos, like, commenting, and also for those that have not subscribed, please go and subscribe to Blessing Beauty channel, the CEO of the universe. Go and subscribe to your baby girl, gorgeous pretty girl channel. Go and subscribe to my channel, please. It doesn't cost any money. One love, guys. We have to love one another, do things together, learn from each other. When you learn from me, I learn from you, guys. We all are still learning. No one is perfect apart from God. It's only God that is perfect. Let's love one another. Let's do things together. Let's be together, guys. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. Welcome back to Blessing Beauty channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my pepper soup yam. I like yam so much. It's my favorite. I want to be showing you how I prepare my pepper soup yam. This is the yam over here, is unpeeled. This is the bonnet pepper. This is the cube, the salt, the pepper soup ingredient is here. Look at it here. There is some, I don't know the name in English, you people pardon me. There is some that called the enyedokawa oziza. That enyedokawa mean is very active. We use it to cook, it's very active. And the aroma is so so nice. It smells well. This is the pepper soup ingredients I'm using. This, I don't know the name. Who knows the name should leave the should write the name under the comment section. Write the name under comment section. I don't know the name. This one is the crayfish. This one is the shaki. This one is the shaki I'm using. This one is the chicken. I've washed them. I've washed the shaki. I've washed the chicken. This one is the tomatoes I'm using. I just slice it there. I'm going to blend them with the crayfish, the ingredients of the pepper soup, the pepper, and so on and so forth, guys. Let's get started. Watch till the end, guys. Here, guys, this is the yam. It's already washed. I've peeled it. I've washed it. Going inside the pot. The tomatoes. Tomato. Look at, I've already blended all with the pepper soup ingredients. I've already blended all together. This is the tomatoes. It's already inside the pot. Pouring the yam inside. Stir together. Leave it for 20 minutes. It's covered. Later, after 20 minutes, I'll be putting the chicken, the shaki. Forgot to say Maggi cube. I have one Maggi cube here too. Maggi cube. Putting one Maggi cube. Later, after 20 minutes. The Maggi cube. A little bit salt. Don't like too much salt. The aroma, guys. Wow. The smell, the aroma of the ingredient of the pepper soup ingredient. Wow. Love it. The aroma is so nice. So nice. So nice, guys. I love the aroma. Let me add this to it. See the aroma. Wow. I can't tell. The smell. The chicken. 10 to 15 minutes. Already ready to eat, guys. Because you look at it, I see they do poto for fire. With the shaki and chicken, all of them are poto. Look at it, they boil. Poto. The aroma, I can't wait. I can't wait to taste. My mouth they say bring. It done. Bring. It's ready. Wow. Look at it, guys. Can't wait, I 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 can't wait. Look at the butter. Look at the lap of the chicken. My people, we are all going to eat it together. This is our lunch. This afternoon, our lunch. Yeah, guys, this is the finish of the pepper soup, yam pepper soup. Let's taste. Let's eat. Look at it. It's like that. That one we call Inyansa in Africa. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. It's going. People should come and join me for this one. It's so sweet. Yummy, guys. So yummy. You don't have to miss this food. I so much love it. Taking more. So yummy. Guys, yum. I love yum. Look at the shaki. I can't cut it now. Oh, will be later. The chicken. The chicken, guys. Let's take the chicken. The chicken. This is the chicken. Guys, come and join me. I'm keeping you people on separately. Guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's learn more. We are still learning. No one is perfect, guys. We want to know more and more and more. I know people will say yam pepper soup, everybody know how to cook it. No, let's show. Everybody have different ways of cooking. All cannot be the same. The way you cook cannot be mine. The way I cook cannot be yours. So everybody have different ways of cooking. Guys, like this video. Again, like this video. Comment, leave your comment on the comments below. Share to friends and family. Thanks for watching. I love you all. God bless. Bye.